Well, it's that time of year when temperatures are all over the place. Cool, warm, hot, cold. And your heating and cooling system is doing cartwheels just trying to keep up. But did you know that there is one change that you can make to your home that will make a huge difference? Well, our sponsor, Pure Energy Windows, is here to show how it works. And I'm joined by the owner, Adrian Beaver. Good morning. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
All right. So let's talk about windows. How do they help with the temperature inside?
You know, I think what we tend to forget is that our homes are just big thermoses. You know, we spend half the year trying to, keep the heat in our houses. And then as we all know, here in a short couple months, we're going to try to be keeping that heat outside.
Absolutely.
You know, and the more panes of glass that you have in a window, the more efficient it's going to be. You know, I like to think of it, it's kind of like my mom used to say when I was a kid growing up, when we were going to go outside, she'd say, you know what, you need to put on more layers. The more layers you wear, the more efficient you're going to be, the more insulated you're going to be.
Okay.
So let me show you actually, I'll show you a little something here.
Okay.
So this is an average window that's supplied by one of the largest retailers in the state of Michigan. Okay. So I'm going to put a heat lamp here and have you put your hand on the other side. Can you feel the heat?
Absolutely.
So the heat's going right through the window. Yep. It's not stopping it, whatsoever. Just have you hold that. Okay. Thank you.
And that's exactly what happens in our homes. Like when the sun comes out and it's beaming through the windows, it just can get so hot inside.
It heats the house up, unbelievably. Yeah. So, and then here's one of our windows, so I'm going to go ahead and put the heat lamp here, and you tell me if you can feel the heat come through.
I literally don't feel anything.
And there's nothing coming through. And we could leave it there for an hour, and you wouldn't feel the heat come through because it's being reflected back into the house. Okay. So our triple pane window here is doing an unbelievably good job of holding the heat in our houses in the winter times and then keeping the heat out all through the summer.
Listen, I really wish I had a window like this when we had those 80-degree temperature days, because my apartment was a sauna, literally.
Absolutely.
And we couldn't feel the heat come through at all. So let's talk about this. Why did you start Pure Energy Window Company?
You know, it's a really one thing came to mind when I started the company. And that's that, when people go shopping for windows, it's an unbelievably frustrating process. I mean, we're told to call 3 different companies. They bring 3 different windows out. And at the end of it, we get the feedback we got from our customers, so they just get confused. Should we do a fiberglass window? Should we be doing a vinyl window? Should we be doing a wood window? So I said, there's just got to be a better way. So I've taken all of the options, put them under one roof, and are able to, show people whatever they need. I mean, if they have a rental house where they're looking for a little less expensive window, we have it available. If they're looking for a super high performance window, we have that. I mean, even people that are looking for wood windows that are trying to match different wood trims and make things look different in their house, we have that available too.
All at one place, so we're not running around all over the place getting more confused. Everything's simple. I like that. So now you say, though, that this is a good time to invest in changing windows. Why is that?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, so one of the biggest things that we've been seeing over the last, year or 2 years here is that the government has made all of this free money available for people to improve their homes. The Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 made a bunch of money available for people. And Pure Energy Window Company is doing more of these government-backed loans than any other company in the state of Michigan.
Wow.
All of our guys have been trained on how to make sure that you get the money that you need and can use to actually make your house more efficient. And the thing to really understand here, once that money's gone, it's gone forever. So now's the time. And if you have not gotten your piece of that pie, it's a good time to do it.
So make that happen too. See, that's a pro tip right there, because everyone doesn't even know that stuff is available.
Yeah, absolutely.
You also have a special offer that you want viewers to know about.
Yeah, I mean, one of the things that we've seen over the last year, it's become is that people are not doing the white windows. They're not doing the tan windows anymore. I mean, the sample we have here is black. We're getting people that want black and bronze, and they're wanting to do like more bold colors, and those colors are custom colors. So what I'm willing to do right now, and I'm here to say this. I mean, if you give us a call, set something up, and have us out to your house before May 12th, we will go ahead and do any color window you want at no extra cost at all. So any color someone wants.
And that's a big upgrade.
It's a huge upgrade.
That's a very big, let's just be clear, like getting a custom color is a big deal.
It is.
You're going to do that for people before
May 12th. May 12th. Give us a call.
All right, guys, go ahead. Get your piece of the pie. Like you said, Adrian, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
All right. For more information and to get in touch with Pure Energy Window today, visit their website, pureenergywindow.com. Again, that's pureenergywindow.com.